Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But according to an increasingly popular theory, birds and other animals use a radical pair-based compass to see the Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to undertake great migrations and daring rescues without getting lost. 9 June 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
Homing pigeons are remarkable navigators. Although they are able to find their loft from almost any location, they do get lost occasionally. He discovered that the atmosphere misdirected the loft's infrasound signal on days when pigeons were lost, preventing them from finding the correct bearing home. 30 January 2013.
Take our lead.
They seem to have an internal global positioning system, GPS, that allows them to follow the same pattern every year. A young bird imprints on the sun and stars to help orient it. Some researchers think a bird may also recognize landmarks. The beak helps birds determine their exact position. 22 August 2013.
Take our lead.
Rabbits and hares are often confused for one another, so much so that most of us have always assumed that hare was just another name for a rabbit. After all, these animals look almost identical, have long ears and hop around. 11 May 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.